Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial for Jive All Night. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance from Mark Furnell and Godden. There will be a tag at the end of wall 10, but let's first learn the steps. Weight is on our left. Section 1, starting with our right, chassé to the side on 1 and 2. Rock back left, recover right on 3, 4. Vine quarter turn to our left, 5, 6, 7. Scuff right forward on 8. Section 2, stomp right forward on 1. Heel is slightly turned in. Heel fan out 2, back 3. Hitch right knee on 4. Step forward 5, point 6. Step forward left, 0.8. Section 3, jazz box with a quarter turn to our right, cross 1, back 2, quarter turn 3, cross 4. Vine to our right on 5, 6, 7, close 8. Last section, swivels 1, 2, 3. On 4, we're going to have our toes back at center. Step forward on right on 5, clap 6. Quarter turn to our left on 7, clap 8. The weight is on our left. We're now facing the 9 o'clock wall, and we start the dance again with the side chassé to the right. So, those are the steps. Let's put counts to all of that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you begin the dance again at 9 o'clock. At the end of wall 10, facing 6 o'clock, there's going to be a 4-count tag. The 4-count tag is the last 4 counts of the dance. So it's the step forward on right, clap, step quarter, clap. Tag with counts. Facing 6 o'clock, that's where the tag is going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're now facing 3 o'clock and you begin the dance again. Let me show you what wall 10 looks like starting facing 9 o'clock. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of 32 counts on wall 10. Now we add the tag, step, clap, step, quarter, clap. And begin the dance at 3 o'clock with the side chassé. So that's the whole dance. It's a really fun one, and I hope you enjoy.